नमस्ते मेरी प्यारी बहनों और मेरी माताओं, आप सबको मेरा बहुत बहुत नमस्ते। मेरा नाम प्रीति है और मैं एक वीडियो अभी डाल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने इंग्लिश न आने की वजह से बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम फेस किए हैं। तो इसलिए मैं ये वीडियो आपको अपलोड कर रही हूँ। अगर ये वीडियो से आप लोग में ज़रा सा भी मोटिवेशन आता है इंग्लिश सीखने का, तो आप प्लीज़ इंग्लिश ज़रूर सीखें, क्योंकि इंग्लिश जो है ना वो हर एज ग्रुप के लिए ज़रूरी है। ओके। आप कितना भी पढ़ लीजिए, आप कितना कुछ कर लीजिए, लेकिन इंग्लिश जब नहीं आता है तो हमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम फेस करने होते हैं। और हम आपको बताएंगे कि कैसे मैंने बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम फेस किए और मैंने 3 महीने से स्टार्ट किया है। जो कि मैं एक हाउसवाइफ हूँ तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा समय नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश को वक्त दूँ। तो अगर मेरी प्यारी बहनें, माताएं और मेरी छोटी बहनें, अगर आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करें। मुझे बहुत कुछ तो नहीं आता, लेकिन आप लोग अगर मेरा साथ दें ना तो मैं ज़रूर इंग्लिश अच्छा बोल पाऊँगी और आप लोगों के साथ बोलूँगी, आप लोगों को भी सिखाऊंगी। तो मुझे प्लीज़ कमेंट करके आप बताएं कि हाँ आप लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए। तो आगे मैं वीडियो डाल रही हूँ, आप लोग मुझे कमेंट करें और बताएं कि हाँ इंटरेस्टेड है। तो मैं क्या करूँगी ना, एक साथ ज्वाइन करके फिर हम लोग इंग्लिश जो है स्पीकिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे और कुछ कुछ चीज़ें नई नई पढ़ेंगे। और मैं आपको अपना क्वालिफ़िकेशन बता दूँ, मैं एमएससी जूलॉजी हूँ और एक मैं नेचुरोपैथ हूँ। ठीक है, मैं एक नेचुरोपैथ हूँ। मुझे 12 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है मेरी फील्ड में। बट इन इस टाइम मेरे बच्चे जो हैं वो छोटे थे, तब से मैंने छोड़ दिया। ठीक है, तो बहुत बहुत नमस्कार आप सबको। आप प्लीज़ मुझे सपोर्ट करें और अगर मेरे इस वीडियो से एक लोग भी मोटिवेट होते हैं तो मुझे लगेगा कि मैं सफल हो गई हूँ। यस मैम। सो मैम, आई इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ।
Yeah, sure. Why not? If you, I think you are not remembering this thing. We already talked.
Okay. I think you are also joined another group.
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
in a Skype group.
Okay. So, so
Yes.
I think introduction is not necessary. Both are.
But it should be good because for our good conversation. That's why remembering, recall
Okay.
our who I am and
Yes.
where you from. So it could be better for us.
Definitely, ma'am. I introduce myself. My name is Preeti, and if you talk about my qualification, I'm a postgraduate in zoology, and I'm a
Mm-hmm.
naturopathist and yoga teacher. And if you talk
Yes.
about my working field, so in this time I am not doing any kind of work of any area. In this time, I'm a
Mm-hmm.
full-time homemaker. And
Okay.
if you talk about my English journey, so I started my English journey near about 3.5 months
Mm-hmm.
ago. Yes,
Okay.
it's all about me, ma'am.
So that's good. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, if I talk about myself, so my name is Anshita Mishra. I live in Bhopal currently. I was born and brought up in Mumbai, living in Fort Marshalda campus.
Mm-hmm.
And when it comes to my education, so I have done MCOM from APS University, and I
Mm-hmm.
am pursuing MBA, IT based HR. And when it
Mm-hmm.
comes to my family, so currently I have a nuclear family, me and my spouse. My spouse is software engineer, and when it comes to my hobby, so my hobby is dancing and painting. And now I'm a working woman. I'm working in IT company as a software developer. So that's all about it.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Very nice introduction, and I remember all things. Okay, I remember all things. Whenever you are
Yes.
talk about your live in Mayor, you are belong in Mayor. That time I remember, recall all thing in my mind.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay,
what
so
is
how's
your?
your practice going so far?
Yes, ma'am. In this time, my practice is not going on so much good because sometimes I feel
Mm-hmm.
very active, sometimes I feel some laziness for my speaking. So sometimes I connect
Mm-hmm.
one and two people in a day. Sometimes I don't connect any single one. Sometimes I try to like listening some story, and I'm try to listening some postcard. So this type of I try to change myself, because whenever I am try to speaking all time, speaking, that time I feel something like something different, like I feel not good for all time. So these kinds
Okay.
I change myself. I try to some kind like in this time I am very interested for
Yeah, my practice is going good. When I get time to, apart from office, so definitely I connect with my co-learners. Yeah, that's it.
okay.
But nowadays, I want to learn, I want to learn a professional language, business language. What?
Wow,
And
great.
because of my job, because if I talk about my office, so they are, 4 to 5 and 3 years experience they have. Okay. So they, one word and they using a, for meaning in a different way, in a
Yes.
one word.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm trying to, enhance my skills as a business way, as a, professional. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes,
that's
yes.
why.
Yes, this is very
Mm.
good, because you are also try to learn your depend on the
Mm.
your business field. So this is very good.
Yes.
This is very good for you. You are feel whenever you are speak your like colleague and friends and your
Mm.
seniors. So that time you feel very good. So whenever you are feel
Mm.
very good, to slowly you are cover all English area, like
Yes.
within a few month you are a good speaker, like some kind of very higher English learner.
Mm.
Yes,
Advanced speaking.
advanced
Yeah.
speaker.
Yes.
Yes.
Advanced structure.
Yes,
Yes.
because
Yeah.
in my point of
Mm.
view, good
Mm.
feeling is very necessary for everyone, and this is
Mm.
very necessary. You are also work on this field, that field.
Mhm.
This field you are need all time. Okay, in this time you are
Mm.
go to in
Mm.
your office. That time this is very necessary. You are learn to in your area. Okay, you know your area type English. Okay, this is very necessary. So
Yes.
whenever you are speak very well your colleague and your office colleagues, so that time you are feel good, and you are also
Yeah.
motivate, self motivate. Okay, you are also self
Yeah.
motivate, and your motivation energy is full time. Okay, full time high. So that's why slowly you are cover all grammatical rule, all vocabulary, all thing, in my point of view.
Yeah, exactly. Absolutely right. I totally agree with you. You know what? If I use a good words that while talking with them, while working with them, so that time I boost my confidence, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
as well as that time it is a good impression from my side, right?
Yes, good impression.
So,
Yes,
mm,
definitely. And whenever anyone told you, ma'am, you are a good speaker, and you also feel, because you are an
mm,
educated person, so also feel
mm,
whenever you are speak anyone, so you speak all things right, because you are like a qualified person, so you know
yeah,
everyone. So that time your
right.
confidence level are high. Okay, so your confidence level are high, so you are also do only for 1 hours you do a lot work. Okay, so
Yes,
this
yes,
is very
yeah.
necessary. This is very necessary. Yes.
Exactly. And you know what? If I use a, sometime wrong word and I'm using a, basic thing, basic English, so that time they think about it because she is, sometimes she making a mistake and she using a very basic thing. So it could be, bad for us. So
Yes,
uh,
yes.
if any if any come up any project to my company, so firstly they think about me, then they will give me right to any project. Because
Yes,
at that
yes,
time
yes.
they thinking, yeah, she's not good, and she making mistake with language. She making, even she using a very basic grammar. She using a very basic vocabulary. So that's why. And if I am using a good way, if I am using effective words that
Yes,
time,
yes,
so
yes.
it could be better for us, better
Definitely,
for me,
definitely.
right?
You are right, and you are also your step, okay? Your step is very good because you are not doing any kind of like you are not a primary teacher and you are not doing any kind of receptionist, okay?
Yes.
You are doing a
Yeah.
job
Yes.
IT sector. IT sector is
Right.
not for easy tasks for anyone, okay? All BTech,
Exactly.
yes, all BTech, MTech, and MCA are not getting this kind of job, okay? So you are
And
also
it is not a piece of cake,
yes,
right?
this is not a piece of cake, and you are also blessed. You are also blessed for God. So that's why you also do hard work. You enhance your all things, not only for your language. You enhance your all work area. You enhance your English, all things. Okay, because you
Yes.
are really you are a bliss for God.
Yeah, yes, exactly. So
Yes.
that's why I'm trying to, nowadays I'm working on that. Okay, sometime I try to listen who is, advanced speakers and who is, like a cricket, and I'm listening a cricket interview nowadays. Okay, and business English as well as, yeah. So
So,
that's why. Hmm.
you are also contact any single time Chandan sir?
No, no, no.
Okay, Chandan sir. Chandan sir
Hmm.
is also teach all like all work in professional like some kind of like staff. Okay, see, he is
Yeah,
also
actually.
teach all things. He is also teach all things.
Yeah, actually, I think he texted Chandan, I think. Yeah. So he texted me. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll check.
No, 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 no. This Chandan, you are also searching in Skype group. Skype group.
Uh, yes.
No, no, no. This Chandan is this is a co-learner, but I am talking about Chandan sir. Okay, whenever you are
Okay,
searching
okay.
YouTube Chandan sir is a very knowledgeable teacher. He is a teach
Okay.
a very good, a very like a higher grammatical portion, okay, higher level grammatical portion. He is also teach all kind of grammatical and very beautiful like some kind of vocabulary, okay. This is very specific type vocabulary he is also teach. So you are also contact one time Chandan sir. Chandan sir is also take a tuition online, okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
I think, I'm talking to different one.
Oh,
About different one. Okay, okay.
okay, okay, yes, yes, yes. And
Uh,
whenever
so,
yes. Please go on, go on.
actually, I want to connect with them, who is good tutor, good advice. So, what happening with, what is the problem with me? Then, what, I'm not a YouTuber, okay? And
Okay.
lots of, if they,
Yes,
yeah?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, so
I understand.
lots of person they try to record the session and upload it to his channel if anyone good tutor.
No, no, no.
Yes.
Chandan sir is not like a YouTuber, okay? He is a good teacher.
Okay.
And whenever you are told, sir, I am not a familiar for on for facing YouTube channel and my family member is not allow I am come in the YouTube channel. That's why you are also whenever you are told this kind of things in front of Chandan sir. So Chandan sir is also not record your session because he is a teacher, okay. He's a teacher.
Okay.
It is not a YouTuber. But in this time, everyone is all things download on the upload on the YouTube. So that's why he is upload. But this is not necessary. He is upload your video and your conversation. Firstly, he is a teacher. Secondly, he is a little bit YouTuber in my point of view.
So
Yes.
okay. So where I can meet with him?
In this time, whenever this conversation is wrapped, that's why you are go to YouTube channel and search Chandan sir. So Chandan sir link, okay, Chandan sir email ID you are also find out, and you also send
Okay.
one mail. Chandan sir, I am very interested for take a tuition for a higher education, for a higher grammatical portion. So he is also teach, okay.
Okay.
Within a 3 month you are also speak very advanced learner, okay, advanced speaker.
Okay.
Because one lady is 40 year old, okay. One lady is 40 year old. He is a businessman, she is a businessman, okay. So he is also suggest me you also take a tuition for Chandan sir. So
Okay.
so that's why I am also scroll my mobile, and I am also watched a lot of video Chandan sir. But in this time I'm not comfortable for take a tuition because I have kids, okay. My kids school timing in this time, I am another place because my sometime I am my mom house, sometime I am play with my kids for out area because it's a summer vacation. So I am in this time not comfortable, but whenever July is coming, that time I try to contact sir and I take a tuition. And I think
Okay.
sir
That's
Chandan sir tuition fee is near about 3,000 per month, okay.
okay.
Yes,
Okay.
per
Okay.
month. But this is very
That's
necessary
great.
for you, okay, because you are IT sector staff, okay. So this is very
Yes. Yeah.
necessary. This is not a
Yes.
large amount, this is large amount for me because I am not doing any kind of work, I am sitting in the home. No matter I am speaking a good advanced learner and slow, okay. Whenever I need to got something learn very advanced learner, so I try to contact Chandan sir.
Okay. That's great. That's great.
Yes.
Definitely, I will try.
Yes, definitely, because in your work area this is very necessary. Impression, okay,
Yes. Yeah.
impression, your body language, your facial expression, and your
So
words. Yeah.
anyone took the classes from him?
In this time,
Anyone?
I think
Yeah.
in this group, I think most of the rich ladies are also prefer contact Chandan sir.
Okay. Give some example as a
No,
name.
because I am also joined a lot of WhatsApp group. I have 5 and 6 WhatsApp group, okay, and 4 and 5 Skype group. So I am unable to find out who is she.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
yes.
Mhm.
Yes, because some YouTubers are my friend. Okay, some YouTubers are my friend like Anisha ma'am, Bharvi ma'am, and Durga Bhavani, and one is mm, Sandhya, and I think 4 and 5 YouTubers lady are my friend. So she is also joined me this dad group. So that's why I have a lot of chances. I uh, I speak for everyone. So in this reason I
Okay,
have a
that's great.
knowledge. Okay, I have knowledge, so I am also share with you. You are also enhance your English.
Thank you so much for the admission. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
yes.
Definitely, I will. Actually, you know what happening with me and what happening with my problem. Then you know what, I have less time. 9 to 6 my office time. So between this time, it was sometime I have some meetings. Okay, and sometime I have free. So if I have a free, so I connect with my learners. So
Yes,
yeah, but
because
definitely I will
yes,
try.
yes, yes, definitely you are try, and in this time, I think 2 and 3 and almost 4 year, you also focus on your office and your job, okay, in your language skill, and within a 4 years later, I think you get baby, okay. Every ladies are get
Yeah,
baby. So
exactly.
in this time you have time, you also enhance all things,
Hmm.
okay. Because
Yes.
I have
Yeah.
experience, whenever whenever I am in your age, that time I lost my time, but a lot of time I lost. But this reason I feel your problem. I feel your problem. This one, this reason I am advise you, you utilize your time, because you have none,
Yeah, right,
you have
right.
only 3 and 4 year. Okay, you also do a good work and also enhance your all things. Okay, because within a 4 year, you are everyone is know, sees this lady is a good I doing a IT sector job, and he's a manager and that thing. Yes.
Definitely, I will. Okay, so I want to know from your side, when you started your journey, your English journey?
Oh, my English journey. If you talk
Yeah.
about my English journey, so whenever I am studying class 12, that time I am very interested for learning English. Okay, so in my time, one book is available like Rapid English. Okay, Rapid English. So at that time I try to learn like in this time like वह जाता है, he go, वह खाती है, she eats. Okay, this kind of sentences I am try to learn, but this is not beneficial for me. And in my time, no any coaching available in my village, in my home, and I have no any good teacher for speak English, because I am belong in the village area. So that's, and slowly whenever I am come in city area, so BSc, MSc, naturopathy, there are all my studies a higher study. Okay, in my level, because in my whenever I am studied that time, MSc, BSc is a very higher education, everyone is told. So yes, so I have no time. Feel slowly I am also doing a job. Okay, I'm earning money, so I have no time so speak English. But I have time in this time, so I definitely try to speak English, because no, without knowing English, your qualification is not the value in my point of view.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, right,
no
right.
matter
Exactly.
you are a
Yeah.
BTech, you are a MTech. Okay, you have a lot of degree, no matter, whenever your speaking skill is good and your knowledge is good in your field, that's why everyone is like select you. So this reason
Yes.
I try to speak. And sometime if you talk about problem facing, so yes, I'm facing a lot of problem whenever I go to my daughter's school. So every teacher, every principal are speak English. That time I am unable to give an answer on the English language, so I give answer in the Hindi language. So sometime I feel this is not good for me, because I'm a postgraduate. Okay, so this is not good for me. So slowly I try to learn English, only for join my co-learner for Skype group. And sometime I am in 1 year ago I joined to Joe's Talk. Okay, but
Okay, okay.
yes, but Joe's Talk experience is very bad. Okay, in Joe's Talk application, some boys are very like a chief, very dirty.
They trying to, flirting, right?
Yes. No matter, I am of your like your elder sister age. Okay, I am your auntie age. Like one 14-year old, one 16-year-old boys are like a flirting. Okay, where do you
Yeah,
live?
yes.
No, this is not good for me. I don't interest in this kind of like a Joe Stock application. So that's why I close application. And yes, one day I
You
joined.
can't say,
Yes.
particular in this application. You know what, here is lots of application, lots of person, they use a bad thing, right? They
Yes.
using a, how can I say? Yes.
Yes, and in this time I am also share with you, my younger one is only 4 year old. He is repeat all words. Whenever you are talk any words, he is also repeat. And that time I am talking any words, he is repeated. So that's why in this time he is a good speaker. Okay, he's a good speaker, he's a good speak very good English.
Okay, that's
Yes,
great. That's great.
he's Ansu. What is your name?
My name is Akshit Singh.
Okay, so you feel good in this time? बोलो.
Yes.
Yes. Auntie is not seeing your face. Okay. बोलो yes, auntie.
Yes, auntie.
Okay.
Hello, beta. How are you?
I'm fine.
And you? And you पूछो.
And you?
Hello.
Hello.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
I'm
What are you doing, beta?
What are you doing? बताओ. He is feeling some shy.
Okay, but he speaks very well. And
Yeah.
his voice
Sometimes
is
he.
beautiful, I can say.
Yes. Sometimes he speak English. I have no knowledge. He is speak English. One day I go to in outside. That time he is also speak me, mama, please. I am drinking from mango juice. Okay. So he's also speak English, mama, I want to mango juice, and mango juice is very energy. In mango juice a lot of vitamins, minerals. Whenever I drink mango juice, that time I have feel a lot of energy. So that's day I feel he's a speak English.
Okay, that's great.
because
That's great.
because
It's wonderful.
because in this time I am also connect you, so he is listen all things. And sometime I am also listen some postcard and some lecturer professor speak.
Mom,
So
this open now this mobile.
in this time he is told me, mama, please open this mobile. Okay. Yes. And he is not go to school. Okay. He's not go to school in this time, only for 4 year old. So recently in the July month I am also thinking in my mind, I am also take admission for LKG.
Okay.
Yes. So I think listening power is a very powerful power, I think.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and that's very good. And if you making a consistency to your language, so definitely he will, grab to all things related to this
Yes.
language in terms of this language.
Yes. Okay. Very nice conversation, because this time is lunch time.
Okay.
My kids
Okay, sure,
my
yes.
kids my kids is sit near me, because this is a lunch time. So I am also asked you one time again, you don't waste your time there and where. Okay, you have only 3 and 4 year. Okay, you also enhance your career, you achieved your goal in a career field. Okay. In a,
Yes.
whenever
Yeah.
your 32, 33, 34 age are completed, that time you have a lot of family pressure. Okay, you born baby, you are also born baby. Okay, and in a medical, in a biological, in the medical field, this is very necessary. Whenever your age are 35, that time you also born baby. Okay. So
Yes.
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 So this is
Yeah.
very good and very nice conversation. If you have time, so you are also connect me.
Yeah.
This is not necessary you are also send me one message. Okay, you are also directly call me. I have time, so I am also talk with you, and I have no time, so I am also speak. I have no time, I am connect you another time. Okay, no matter you,
Okay,
this is
sure.
not to follow
Sure.
all step. First time you also send me message, that time I am also yes, so that time you are call. Not follow all things. Okay. Okay, bye.
Okay, nice to talk to you. Okay, bye.
Bye. सेव करो.